Have you ever found yourself in a panic trying to remember your Commbank app PIN? It's a common occurrence, trust me. But don't worry, today we're going to walk you through the simple steps to change your PIN so you can access your funds without any hassle. Think about how frustrating it is to be locked out of your own money. It's like having a key to a treasure chest but forgetting the combination. That's why it's important to know how to change your PIN whenever you need to. Step 1. Open the Commbank app. The first thing you need to do is open the Commbank app on your smartphone. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Log and enter your Commbank username and password to log into your account. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, you can always use the Forgot Password option. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. Step 4. Find the Change PIN option within the Settings menu. You should find an option labeled Change PIN or something similar. Tap on it. Step 5. Enter your current PIN. You'll be prompted to enter your current PIN. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to your account. Step 6. Create your new PIN. After entering your current PIN, you'll be asked to create your new PIN. Make sure to choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious combinations like birthdays or anniversaries. Step 7. Confirm your new PIN. You'll need to enter your new PIN a second time to confirm it. Double check that you've entered it correctly before tapping confirm. Step 8. Verify your identity. To add an extra layer of security, Commbank may ask you to verify your identity using one of the methods you've previously set up, such as a security code sent to your phone or a fingerprint or facial recognition scan. Step 9. Your PIN has been changed. Once you've verified your identity, you will receive a message confirming that your PIN has been changed successfully. You can now use your new PIN to log into the Commbank app. Additional tips. Change your PIN regularly. It's a good practice to change your PIN every few months to keep your account secure. Avoid sharing your PIN. Never share your PIN with anyone, not even friends or family. Use a strong PIN. Choose a PIN that's difficult to guess and avoid using easily identifiable information. Enable biometric authentication. If your device supports it, consider enabling biometric authentication, fingerprint or facial recognition, as an additional layer of security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.